I was using my god, I was using plastics. Hi everybody, hi guys, welcome to another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Budi. I hope you can enjoy your stay here and that you consider subscribing to become part of this growing family. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining me once again. Thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. In today's video, I'm taking you guys through my bedroom makeover. I'm so excited to be redoing my bedroom. So today we'll be going to this other warehouse to go and collect the boards. We went the other day. The guy who will be installing the wardrobe, we took measurements and then we went for quotation and then we paid for quotation. So I will just break down how much I had spent to do my wardrobes, right? So yeah guys, I'm so excited for this new chapter or this new journey. My clothes, they don't have it's a struggle, so I was using I was using plastics and other just of drawer that we had while we were young, like when we were in high school. So yeah, they're gonna be installing, so I'll show you guys how my room looks like now. Let me quickly show you guys how my bedroom looks. So this is, yeah, I don't even have pillows, it's a mess. So this is how my bedroom looks. I'm gonna repaint there. They're gonna install the wardrobes on this wall, and yeah, this is how my bedroom basically looks, but it's never like this. I don't know, because I'm never at home, so your bedroom tends to be a storeroom. So yeah, so I'll just put my bedroom makeover idea here. So this is basically, I'm just gonna basically put install wardrobes here, and here they're gonna be headboards, headboard mona, and then here I'm just gonna put the what is it, table, a desk or a study table, and a TV, laptop. So because there's a plug here, so I'm just thinking that I'll just put it this way. This sofa is going back to the dining room because oh my god, I am excited for this one. So please watch till the end if you want to see the entire thingy. So today we're only going to be fetching we're going to take the boards and then we're going to be installing. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They are short. 12. Hi everybody, hi guys, welcome to another day. I just want to give you guys an update to my bedroom makeover. So the last time I saw you guys were doing wardrobes, they were installing wardrobes. I left while they were busy and they had not installed the doors, so they are finished now. They did install the doors, but there are just few things that needs to be done in my room. Right, so let me quickly show you guys how these cupboards looks, or these wardrobes looks. Okay, so let me do this. So this is how they basically look going down. We also have the legs here, so let me quickly show you guys the inside. Please, I got the inspiration from Pinterest, and yeah, just gonna be showing you guys how I want my room to look like, and I'm also gonna show you the cupboards, the design of the cupboards inside the wardrobes. Okay, so this is how they look. This side is where I would hang my clothes. We have double rail, and the last door is the same as the first double door. My room, the person who was installing the wardrobe suggested that we put a new ceiling on top of this one, and I'm also gonna remove this curtain. I'm just gonna remove this curtain and install the blinds, white blinds or cream white blinds, I guess, sort of like grayish. I'll show you guys when I install them. And then this side, what needs to be done, it's the cornice, yes, cornice here and there. going like that. But after we are done with the new ceiling, so I also want to put some down lights on the corners. I think each corner should have down lights. And thank you so much for tuning in, you guys. I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. Please show some love on the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and do share this channel to your family and friends. So thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye.